Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another tutorial. Today I'm creating a scrapbook page with a Mother's Day theme. In the large photograph is myself, my mom, and my oldest son whenever he was a youngie. And then I've got in the alternate photograph my mom rocking my youngest son. I'm going to try out a new stamp set today called Artisan Textures, and I thought it would be interesting just to see what it does. I don't really have any expectations for what the background is going to appear like. It's just going to be something fun, and it'll be one way for me to get used to the new stamp set. Oftentimes I do this whenever I have a new product that I want to try out. I just give it a go and see what happens. So I have a piece of 12 by 12 Whisper White cardstock that I am adding some color from Sahara Sand and Crumb Cake and a little bit of soft suede in there as well. In the middle you can see that there's a concentrated blob of color, and that is only to facilitate me being able to stamp off the first generation of ink so that I can have a lighter shade in alternate places around the outside. The places in the middle are going to be covered up by designer series paper and layers of cardstock, so it doesn't necessarily need to be matching the rest of the project. I'm using a piece of designer series paper from Share What You Love, and I thought it would be interesting to share this piece as it shows some leaves and stems, and I thought that would represent growth, and to me that represents my growth as a mother and the journey of motherhood that I have undertaken with my two adopted children. We adopted both of our children at birth, so we are blessed to have their entire lives be with us. And so they have been able to experience, as well as my family and I, been able to experience all of their growing and loving, and it's been a wonderful journey. So I thought that would be an appropriate piece of paper to kind of symbolize the growth that we all go through as mothers. I've used a card pack that is about to be retired from Stampin' Up, and I believe it was from the Petal Passion Memories and More card pack. And I've got that Memories laser cut die piece that is itching to be used. I don't want to let this card pack expire and not use that, so I thought it would be interesting just to toss it in. And in order to bring that white color around to the rest of the project and tie everything together, there's a die cut from the Detailed Floral Thinlits die. Make a Difference stamp set is part of the Share What You Love suite, and it is available right now, and this stamp set is so much fun. It is Make a Difference, and you can purchase it right now from your demonstrator or from my online store. I'm going to choose to build the letters to say Mother's Day, and I have shared this particular stamp set before, but I thought it would be great to use it again and share some more tips. There are a few of the very, very small letters that it's hard for me to see which way they connect to each other. For example, the O is supposed to go a certain way in the word so that the cursive looks like it matches. However, I have to take a really good look at it. There is an apostrophe that doubles as a comma in this stamp set, and it is honestly the tiniest stamp that I have ever held in my hand. And I must tell you, please don't lose it because it is so small. That's one of the reasons why I always put these word building tiny stamps on a clear block, and that way I can just pick up the one I need and put it on my small block, and I can build away. So this sticker is from that same card pack, and I'm going to attach it to the project. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I want to tell you all Happy Mother's Day, and I appreciate your support. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day!